Alright, so I'm just kind of giving a review right here of this K&F concept. I've had it on the bike now for a couple of weeks, and the issues I've run into are that this right here, no matter how tight I make it, you can see I'm just doing this, so when you're going kind of fast, all it wants to do is just move. And I mean, I have cranked on this to the point where if I go any tighter, it's literally just going to break it. And then one other issue that I noted was that when I first bought this, so you can see I've got a washer here. And so the reason for this washer, I'll show you, is because when you put this on and you screw it in, when it finally gets stiff enough, obviously you can see that my 360 is now pointed sideways. And I can crank on it, but it's still not going to get there. So for me, what I had to do to fix this problem is I had to put the washer on here, and then you'll notice, voila, now it sits. So like gravy, but that was the issue that I kept running into. So do I recommend it? Sure, but be aware it's got some issues that I think are a little more, because I mean, like I'm telling you, I really had to crank on this just to get it to sit, and it just, no matter how tight I get it, it doesn't stay. So I'm going to end up probably replacing it with something else.
Here's the K&F motorcycle windshield clip, and as you can see on the top of my GV, it fits on nice, snug. It's a good, solid piece of gear. The one challenge is I have a tall GV windshield on my motor scooter, and when you get out on the road, there's movement in that windshield. And there's nothing that even, this is securely fastened, but there's nothing that can be done. And I've got my DJI Action 4 in the Rocksteady Plus mode, and this is kind of how it looks. So I would only say that this is probably a good product for a short windshield, because I put it on the side window of my car. This is on a car, on the side window of the car, and it looks pretty darn good, because the side windows on cars don't move that much. But put it back on the motor scooter, on the tall GV windshield, and I'm only going about 20, 25 here, and whoa, that's queasy making. So short windshields, and this could be a good product.
It's as tight as it'll go. Camera's not on there tight enough. So this will be going back. Don't trust it with my $500 camera.
Yeah, it doesn't matter how tight. You can turn this, this. It will always move. This is great. This one, great. This one, no.
So I got my X5.